Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got 2 big rows of strawberries that need to get picked. We've got weather blowing in and we don't want any of these to go to waste. If we wait until the rain comes, they're likely to get mildew on them and the slugs are surely going to have their way with them. And we're going to celebrate our first harvest by making strawberry rhubarb pie using butter from our Dexter cow's milk and strawberry shortcake. If you want to come along with me, let's get to picking and cooking. There's a nice big one right there. The only bit, but, oh, that's sad. Oh no, it fooled me. It's good for the chickens. In one of my previous videos, I had mentioned that we have left a lot of the weeds in our strawberry patch in hopes that it would help us with disease and pollination, and I'm happy to report it absolutely has. We've already harvested about 4 gallons of strawberries, and with it early in the season, we plan to be able to harvest a lot more. So I think my biggest complaint is all the thistles, and I'll probably go through and pick those out. However, I'm super impressed with all of the pollination and just how many strawberries we're able to get. I just have to try not to touch those. All right. I think this pretty well wraps up our strawberry picking, and I am getting called by Miss Penny and her calf. They are ready for milking time, so let's go get some butter. We're going to get started making our pie crust. We're going to use some of Penny's butter that we've made out of her milk, and we're going to mix it up in our food processor here. I find the food processor works great for pie crust. It just mixes things up a lot better than I can do by hand. Perfect. That's made a nice crumb, and now all we have to do is add some cold water to it and make it into a dough. Approximately 6 of these. I did not count, but should be close enough. Okay, so that is ready for the fridge. We're gonna let it cool down some. So I am intentionally going to leave these a bit flat, and that's just so when I go to roll them out, it's not a big pain because they will be a little bit colder than they are now. All right, so our pie crust is cooling down in the fridge, and while that cools down, we're going to go ahead and get started on our strawberry shortcake. We like to use freshly milled wheat for all of our bread products. It's a huge difference, game changer health-wise, and it just makes you feel better after you eat it. I'll do a video eventually going into detail on all of that. For now, let's just get our strawberry shortcake ready. The boys are waiting. Okay. Definitely don't want to overmix. That will leave for a chewy biscuit. Nobody likes a chewy biscuit. shortcakes are done. Look at those. Yum. Next, we're gonna try to get some cream out of Penny's milk so that we can make some whipped cream. Anyone who's ever done this before already knows this, but for those of you who don't, you wanna take the very top of the cream in your jar. It's the thickest and it will just turn the best when you're using it for whipped cream. That's also the best practice when you're trying to make butter as well, or you'll have a hard time getting it to separate. And the mixing begins. I've added some vanilla bean paste in there, and it's starting to churn pretty well. I think that's good right there. Look at that. That's good. You want some? Here you go. But we'll do a little bit of both.
Big cake, right?
You want some, Wyatt?
Sure, let's try that one.
You're in the video if that's okay.
Yeah, I like being in the video. Hi!
Alright, let's give it a test, huh? I've never made this shortcake before. I'll leave the link in the description and let you know how it turned out. Can't go wrong with the strawberries.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so what would you rate the shortcake out of 10? 10 being the best.
No, it's the best. That is the best shortcake I've ever had. I've got to give it a 10.
I agree.
Yeah.
That's good.
Store-bought ones, nah. Homemade ones, sure.
Yeah.
Especially store-bought whipped cream, nah. You made homemade just perfectly anyway.
That's very sweet. That's good stuff. Now time to finish the pie, huh? Here you go. That's good. I'm trying to decide. Strawberry shortcake or strawberry rhubarb pie? How about you boys? What do you guys pick?
I like this shortcake.
Shortcake? How about you, Wyatt?
Alright, so I like both.
Both.
Yeah, they're both good.
It's a lot of sugar. Yeah, it's a nice way to celebrate our strawberry harvest. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. If you like the content that I've been posting, please hit that like and subscribe button and leave me a comment below letting me know what videos you'd like to see next. Wyatt, get out of here. I was doing good.